Is there life after death? How do we know? From Plato and the early Greeks, through Jesus and Paul, through most African and Eastern cultures, to the spiritualists of the 20th century, the belief in a kind of survival to bodily death has been unequivocally affirmed. Jesus' statement that there are many rooms in his Father's house would seem justified by the fact that this common belief is held by such diverse peoples. Although many traditional believers tend to avoid the topic, evidence of the existence of a spirit world permeates the Bible. Prophets such as Ezekiel and Isaiah report powerful spiritual visions, as does the writer of the Book of Revelation. In the Gospels, angels speak, Lk 1:28, and on the Mount of Transfiguration, Jesus speaks with long-dead Moses and Elijah, Mount 17 1-3. Christian mystics and saints throughout history have also spoken of spiritual experiences. The claim that life continues beyond physical death helps explain well-known and otherwise unexplained phenomena, such as near-death experiences, visions of deceased people, and the experience of authentic communication from the afterlife. To understand what happens to us at death, we must first understand what we are made of. Most of us tend to identify closely with our physical bodies, but this is only part of the picture. We are not only physical matter, but also spiritual essence. It is correct to say that we are essentially spiritual beings who possess physical bodies. When we die, in effect, we take off our physical bodies like we take off a coat. The essential person remains.